Hi, it's Genevieve from Aesthetics Accelerator, and I've been getting lots of requests to give you my predictions for 2024 for the aesthetic industry. So here goes, here's my top 5 predictions. So number 1, GLP, the weight loss wonder drug of 2023, is going to continue to make huge waves in 2024. And I predict that this is going to spur skyrocketing demand for all kinds of body tightening, shaping, toning type services. Also skin laxity, people are going to be looking for help with that too. Okay, number 2. I talked about this in the spring. I talked about the word on everyone's lips, exosomes. We're going to see exosome infused everything this year, from all different skincare and retail lines to all kinds of med spa menus having it for post-procedure care. So exosomes everywhere. Okay, number 3, you might not have thought I might say this, but I think hair restoration is going to be big this year because we have a lot of new minimally and non-invasive technology out there now to help with hair thinning, to help with transplants and hair and eyebrow transplants. So I think this is going to be big this year. So look out for that. Okay, number 4. AI. So AI is everywhere. It's here to stay in a big way. You're going to start seeing AI come to you for your med spa operations. So you're going to see ads probably everywhere for AI inspired CRM systems, marketing systems, sales funnels. So hopefully these might be some good tools for you to help grow your practice. Okay, number 5. I'm projecting some injectable wars. So I think it's going to be an epic showdown in the injectable market. Legacy giants and newcomers alike are going to unleash all kinds of new options. The good part for consumers is it might drive down prices. Better part for all of us is that it's going to foster innovation in the space. So get ready for a wild ride. So those are my top 5 quick predictions on the industry for 2024. I want to hear your thoughts and if you think I'm on the mark or not. Okay.